6:14 a.m., coffee brewing, kids sleeping. Then, bang, bang, bang! ICE is at your door. You have exactly 30 seconds before you make a mistake that could separate you from your family forever. What do? Most people get this wrong. Let me show you how to get it right. Hi, I'm Zane from U.S. Immigration Desk, and thank you for trusting me. What would you do if ICE knocked on your door in the next 60 seconds? Most people freeze. Most people open that door. Most people say the wrong thing and end up in handcuffs before breakfast. But after watching this video, you won't be most people. You'll know exactly what to say, what never to do, and the 3 words that could keep your family together. This information could save your life. Don't scroll away. It is 6:14 in the morning. You are making coffee. Your kids are still asleep. And then 3 hard knocks on the door. Bang, bang, bang. You freeze. You walk to the door. Through the peephole, you see them. 2 officers, dark jackets, the letters ICE printed across their chest. One of them is already reaching for the door handle. Your heart is beating so fast you can hear it in your ears. They knock again, louder this time. Open the door. We need to talk to you. This is the moment right here. The next 60 seconds will decide everything. You either walk out of this situation free, or you are sitting in a detention center by lunchtime and on a plane by Friday. Here is the terrifying truth. Most people in this situation make one critical mistake within the first 30 seconds. They open that door. They answer one question. They sign one paper. And just like that, their case is over before it even started. But you are not going to be most people, because by the end of this video, you will know the exact 3 words to say and the 2 things you must never do. That could be the difference between staying with your family and losing everything. Stay with me. Let me explain why 90% of immigrants lose in these situations. It is not because they are bad people. It is not because they do not deserve to be here. It is because they do not know the rules of the game. And the officers, they know those rules very, very well. Here is how the trap works. Trap number 1, the friendly voice. The officer does not always come in screaming. Sometimes they sound calm, polite, almost friendly. Hey, we are just here to ask a few questions. Can you help us out? We are looking for someone named Carlos Martinez. Is that you? It sounds simple, right? Just answer yes or no. But here is what you do not realize. The moment you say yes, that is me. You have just identified yourself. You have just made their job easier. You have given them the first piece of evidence they need. They are trained to make you feel like talking is the safe choice. It is not. Trap number 2, the fake paper. An officer holds up a piece of paper and says, "We have a warrant." Most people see the word warrant and they think, "I have to obey. This is legal. I must open the door." Wrong. There are 2 types of warrants and only one of them gives ICE the legal right to enter your home. An administrative warrant, also called an ICE warrant, is signed by an immigration officer. It is printed on paper. It might look official, but here is the truth. An administrative warrant does not give them the right to enter your home without your permission. Only a judicial warrant, a warrant signed by a real judge, allows them to come inside. How do you tell the difference? A judicial warrant has a judge's signature at the bottom, a real judge from a real court. An administrative warrant has the signature of an ICE supervisor, not a judge. If you open that door because of an administrative warrant, you gave up your rights for a piece of paper that had no legal power over you. They are counting on you not knowing this. Trap number 3, the pressure to sign. If they do detain you, they may hand you papers, forms, documents. They might say, "Just sign here and this will all be over faster." Listen to me very carefully. Do not sign anything without an attorney present. Some of those papers are voluntary departure forms, meaning you are agreeing to leave the country. You are giving up your right to fight your case. They present it like paperwork. It is not. It is a trap. Now, let me give you the weapon you need to fight back: the law. I do not care what your immigration status is. I do not care if you have papers or not. The Constitution of the United States protects everyone on American soil. Here are your shields. Shield 1, the 4th Amendment. This says officers cannot search your home or arrest you without a proper warrant or your consent. Read that again. Or your consent. If you do not give them permission and they do not have a judicial warrant, they cannot legally enter. Shield 2, the 5th Amendment. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to answer any questions about where you are from, how long you have been here, or your immigration status. Silence is not suspicious. Silence is your legal protection. Shield 3, the right to an attorney. You can say at any time, "I want to speak to a lawyer," before answering any questions. This is not rude. This is not illegal. This is smart. Immigration officers know these laws. They are hoping you do not. Okay, here is your action plan. Memorize this, practice this, teach this to your family tonight. Step 1. Do not open the door. This is the most important step. You can talk to them through the door, through a window. You do not have to open it. The moment you open that door, everything changes. They can see inside. They can claim they saw something. They can put their foot in the door. Keep the door closed. Step 2. Ask this question. Say these exact words loud and clear. Do you have a warrant signed by a judge? If they say no, or if they slide a paper under the door and it is signed by an ICE supervisor, not a judge, you say, "I do not consent to you entering my home." That is it. Repeat it calmly if you need to. Step 3. Say the 3 magic words. If they try to question you through the door, on the street, anywhere, you have 3 words that can save you. I remain silent. Or if you want to be more complete, I am exercising my right to remain silent. I want to speak to a lawyer. You do not have to explain yourself. You do not have to justify it. Just say those words and stop talking. Step 4. Do not run. Do not lie. If they have a real judicial warrant or if they arrest you anyway, do not resist physically. Do not give a fake name. Do not run. Running gives them a reason to chase. Lying gives them a reason to charge you with another crime. Stay calm. Say nothing. Ask for a lawyer. Step 5. Do not sign anything. If they take you in and put papers in front of you, you have one answer. I will not sign anything until I speak to my attorney. They might pressure you. They might tell you it will go faster. Do not believe it. Step 6. Memorize these numbers. Write down the phone number of an immigration lawyer or legal aid organization. Keep it in your wallet. Give a copy to a family member. If you are detained, you have the right to make a phone call. Make sure you know who to call. What if they stop you on the street, at a bus stop, in your car? The rules are similar, but here is your key question. Am I free to go? If they say yes, walk away calmly. Do not run. Just leave. If they say no, you say, I am exercising my right to remain silent. I do not consent to any searches. I want a lawyer. Then you stop talking. Let them do what they do. But you do not help them build a case against you. Let me leave you with this. Knowing your rights does not make you a criminal. It does not make you suspicious. It does not mean you are hiding something. It means you are smart. It means you are prepared. It means you refuse to be a victim of a system that is designed to confuse you. Every single day, people lose their cases not because they were guilty, but because they did not know what you just learned in this video. You now know more than 90% of people who will face this situation. But here is my request. Do not keep this to yourself. Send this video to your mother. Send it to your brother. Send it to that cousin who just arrived last year. Share it in your community group. Play it at the dinner table. Because information is protection, and protection is how we survive. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I release content every week to keep you safe, informed, and one step ahead. If you would like to receive more daily updates about U.S. immigration, visas, citizenship, and travel, you are welcome to stay connected here at U.S. Immigration Desk. My name is Zane. This is U.S. Immigration Desk. Know your rights, protect your family, and I will see you in the next video.